Hey, it's Paul Zweben of the Zweben team of Douglas Elliman, and welcome to 117 East 57th Street, the Galleria Condominium's apartment 28EF. The minute I walked into this apartment and saw that picture window, I could barely control myself. Let's go take a tour. Welcome to apartment 28EF, a truly luxurious, expansive 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom, corner apartment at the full-service Galleria Condominium in the heart of Midtown. This pristine home boasts a thoughtful renovation that is both chic and comfortable, while showcasing quintessential city views to the west and north for gorgeous light and sunsets. A gracious entry foyer leads to the elegant, open-concept living and dining room, ideal for entertaining. Tasteful touches such as crown molding, wainscoting, and beautiful hardwood floors add polish to this stunning home. The lavish primary suite is entered through an incredible private hallway that leads to the bedroom and ensuite spa-like bathroom with 2 separate vanities and separate bathtub and glass-enclosed shower. A gorgeous chef's kitchen features plentiful storage, top-of-the-line appliances, stone countertops, and an adjacent laundry room with additional storage. The second bedroom boasts smart, attractive built-ins for added storage and a charming seating nook by the windows. Both second and third bathrooms are attractively updated, clad in neutral marble tile and glass-enclosed bathtub and shower. The Galleria Condominium is a full-service condominium with an attentive staff including 24-hour doorman and concierge, sky lounge and outside terrace with sweeping city views from the 55th floor, newly renovated fitness center and lobby, direct access to a parking garage, optional butler, maid service and valet services, and an incredible location between Park and Lexington Avenues. Thank you so much for coming to the Galleria Condominium, apartment 28EF. I cannot wait to show you this apartment in person. Have a great day.